I just built these absolutely beautiful websites in under 10 minutes using Seedance 2 and Claude Code, and I'll show you exactly how to build them yourself. No technical background needed. Here's one for real estate. It has this beautiful home with a zoom-in effect through all the rooms. And here's another one for a car rental company. It has this 3D effect. With this amazing video generation model, Seedance 2.0, you can even generate these videos for your website or in vertical format for e-commerce products. Here's another example for a perfume in vertical format. Let's build this together from scratch. We are gonna use Seedance, Higgsfield, and Claude Code and build both of these websites from the ground up. The 3 simple steps that we are gonna follow are universal. You can use the same logic to build any website you can imagine. Step 1, let's get some inspiration. So if you already saw a website that you like and you want to build it up, all you need is a couple of screenshots. Another source could be Pinterest, or you can go to a website like Dribbble. This is an amazing source of inspiration. In my case, I looked for real estate and I chose one example that I really liked. So we're gonna go with the first one. So you're gonna save all these images in your computer. Let's see how many we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 images. So grab as many images from your desired website and save it in downloads. Step 2, create the assets so that we can reuse them inside our website. So what we need is this video for the hero section of the website. And we have 2 paths to generate the video that we need. You have path 1, which is having one prompt and using just the text of the prompt to get the video in a MP4 format. Or you have the second path, which is having a prompt to generate a reference image and have that image together with another prompt to get the final video. And we're gonna build each one of these one by one so you can see the difference. So let's start. I will take a screenshot, the first image of this house, and I'm gonna ask Claude for help. So I'm gonna ask Claude, hey Claude, please generate me one prompt for a video generation model so that I can get a nice MP4 as the hero section of my website. And this is exactly what I did. I just used Claude.ai, the regular chat. I just sent this picture as attachment and asked it, please write me a prompt. And I want it to last 15 seconds because this is the maximum duration from Seedance, and come up with a scenario that is in slow-mo. So we want a luxury feel and the video needs to be slow. And this is the prompt we got. And we have here one image plus the prompt, right? So we have reference image plus prompt, and the output will be a video. As you can see, we have each scene for every second of the video, right? So from 5 to 10, 10 to 15, so on and so forth. I will attach all these prompts in the first link in the description. You can grab them directly. So now all we have to do is copy this prompt, go to higgsfield.ai, and register with them and go with a video, and we are gonna open Seedance 2.0, which is the most advanced model as of now. In here you are gonna upload the image, the reference image that you just screenshot, right? The reference image that you want, and the prompt we got from Claude, and click generate. Make sure it's in the correct format, which will be 16:9, and the duration will be 15 seconds in my case and 180p. Once the video is generated, you're gonna get it right here and you're gonna see it in your history. So at this moment, all we have to do is download this video. I'm gonna save it on my computer because we need it to build the entire website and we're gonna embed this video in the hero section. Next, we are gonna open Claude Code inside Visual Studio. If you already have it installed, feel free to skip this step, but 30 seconds installer guide. Just go to visualstudio.com, choose your operating system, and once you're gonna open it up, it's gonna look like this. So we only have to pay attention to a couple of parts. This one, it's called the File Explorer, and then we are gonna use the extensions right here. So if this is your first time, just go to extensions, search Claude and install it. Then just click this icon and you are good to go. Next, you are gonna create one new empty folder in your computer and you are gonna do File, Open Folder. As you can see, I already opened mine, it's absolutely empty. Next, I'm gonna copy one single file called CLAUDE.md. This file is available in the first link in the description. And I'm gonna create one folder called References, and inside here we will upload all the screenshots of our desired website and the video we just created. Once you have your images and video inside this folder, all you have to do is create this website using a single prompt. And here is the prompt. Please create me the exact copy of the website I shared with you in the folder References and add the video as the hero section of the website. And when you are done, please open it up in Chrome so I can review it. So now Claude is gonna use its tools and start building. As the first step, it's gonna read each and every image from the upload that we have here from References. So it's gonna understand what type of website we want to build. If the video is too large, too big, it's gonna compress it down so that our website will be fast whenever we load it. And it's gonna start building the index HTML, and we're gonna see the first draft in our browser. We have a first version, so yeah, it took about 3 to 5 minutes, and it says, hey, it's live. I only built it locally, and this is the port. It's opened in Chrome. And this is how it looks like. As you can see, it's on port 4173. Let's check it out. It looks, for a one shot, looks really close to the original. So now all you have to do is inspect this website and make any changes. So let's say we want to build more or do any updates, right? So let's say I want to change the menu or add my own logo or link these buttons to the calendar, the real calendar. Let's go with the menu. Let's say I want to build more and I want to update a single part of my website, right, which is the menu. If you want inspiration for individual components, you can use this website called 21st.dev, and in the left hand side, they have every part of a website that you can imagine. And I went to navigation menus and let's choose one that we like. Let's say maybe this one, right? So all I have to do is I will just copy this prompt and share it with Claude. And by the end of it, I'm expecting to have this exact effect on the website that we already built. Let's see how it looks like. So the prompt, it's in clipboard. And I'm gonna ask it, please update the menu and use this effect. And all of this part, it's the prompt from 21st.dev. If we don't like it, we can go back to the original at any moment in time, but I think it will make sense, right, when we hover, because we have a similar style when we have this login, we have this black shape, so when we hover, it will look the same, I think, yeah? Yeah, it's the same styling as the login. Let's see what Claude builds for us. We have one new update and says, please refresh your browser. This is what we got, and it looks very similar to what we asked. And you can use the same logic to update any part of the website to your liking. At this moment, we covered this part, right? So we used Claude. Claude wrote our prompt. We used one reference image plus the prompt from Claude, and the result was a video that we added to our website, right? And we added all of these three together, meaning the video plus the ideal website, again to Claude. So we covered this part right here as of now. Now, what if I don't have any reference images? and I just want to use text to generate a video. Can I do this as well? Yeah, the answer is yes. So now let's move to the second website. We are gonna create the car rental one, but with no reference image. And here is the logic. Go to Claude, ask it to generate a prompt. This is the one I got, and I will also attach it in the first link in the description. And we have this one, pristine matte black electric car. It's very long, but it respected the same logic, meaning it describes every scene in detail. So every second it's covered in the prompt. This is the key. From second 0 to 3, from 3 to 5, 5 to 7. So it covers every part of the 15 seconds. I click generate, the same, 16 by 9, 180p. And this is the result inside Higgsfield using Seedance 2. This is the model we used. So this time the generation was different, right? We only have text to video. We didn't use the prompt plus a reference image. I think this is really nice, but on the website, I think we will strip the sound. No sound at all. Now we will use this video as the hero section. So I went ahead back to Dribbble.com, and this time I searched for car rental, and they have quite a few options. The one I chose is this one, and it's the same process. Save every one of these images. Let's see how it looks like. So download all these images to your computer. We are gonna use a new fresh folder. This time we are gonna call it demo for car rental, and open the new empty folder inside the Visual Studio. This is mine, demo car rental, and it's opened. And we're gonna follow the same. We are gonna drag and drop CLAUDE.md file. This file tells Claude how to behave in each and every session. It's like training an employee, right? If you were to hire somebody today, in their first day you will have to train them so that they do the work in the manner that you like. This is the role of this CLAUDE.md file. Now create the folder and drop all the images and the video. We are ready to rock and roll. We have all the images and our video in here. So this is how it looks like. Please build me this exact website that I shared with you in the folder called references, and add the video in the hero section. Open it up in Chrome when you have the first version. And the website is now live on this port 4173. Let's check it out. This is how it looks like. It stripped out the sound, so every time I refresh, this 3D animation is starting yet again. Really nice. You can create these videos in any style that you like. So for example, maybe you want the car to rotate 360, right? So that's also an option. The only difference is you need a new prompt. So until now, we successfully completed the first two steps, right? We selected the original website for inspiration. We got the print screens. As of now, we created only the videos. And we prompted Claude to build our website starting from the reference screenshots plus video, right? But what if for assets, you also need images, right? So for example, on this website, if we scroll down a little bit, it looks very close to the original, but I will need more assets, right? So for example, here, I will want the same car that we have in the video, but from another angle. How can we achieve that? And I will need different cars here also, right? So you have two types of assets, the videos and the images. So you can go back to Higgsfield and go this time to image generation model. You can go to GPT Image 2 and create a new prompt with Claude, of course. So let's assume that you did all the updates to your website and you are now ready to publish. What we need to do is make this website live so you can share it with somebody else. We are gonna use GitHub and Vercel. Step 1, go to github.com and create one account. Then you're gonna create a new repository, give it a name. I'm gonna make it private as of now and create repository. Now scroll down and copy this command and give it to Claude. So just put this command in and ask Claude, hey Claude, please use this command and push all the entire code from this folder to my new GitHub repo. Once Claude is done, you can refresh that repo and you're gonna see all your files pushed from your local computer to GitHub. Next, go to vercel.com. You can log in with the GitHub account you just created or log in with your email, but make sure you use the same exact email because GitHub and Vercel are linked together. And go to Projects, New Project, and select the repo you just created from GitHub. Click Import and click Deploy. It's gonna take 1 or 2 minutes. Once it's finished, you will get one link like so. And at this moment, our website is live and you can grab this link and share it with a friend. If you want a custom domain, you can buy one from here, from Vercel, and host this website on your existing domain. So go ahead and explore the video generation capabilities of Seedance 2 and let me know what type of assets did you generate. Did you build actual websites or some e-commerce product videos? Let me know in the comments below.